Hello everyone, I am going to explain the program microcontroller 8051 program for transferring the array of data from one memory location to another memory location. For executing this microcontroller program, we are using Keel Microvision 3 software. So here the first step, we need to create the project, and project name I will give it as program and I will save it here. And here to create the program we need to select the database atmel. Under the atmel, the device we are going to take it 8089C51. Okay. So the project has created. The next step, we need to write the program. So the program we need to write for transferring the data from one memory location to another memory location. So you can observe here, this is a program org000H. This is the starting address of the memory location. It's an assembler directive which represents the direction or starting address of the memory location. And you can observe here move R2,05H, it represents the count value, how many number of bytes present in the array. So this I have taken 05H for as a count, and move R0,20H, move R1,40H, these are the two memory location we are using, and R0,20H is the address where the data is present. I need to move this data to the memory location with the starting address 40H. So it should move array 5 data bytes from 20H, 21, 22, 23, 24 to 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So how to move the array of data bytes? So the first step, move a comma at R0. It is the indirect addressing mode. So what do you mean by indirect addressing mode? Here the address is not specified directly in the instruction. So address is present in R0, and from that memory address 20H, data whatever present, that will be moved to A accumulator register. Next, that data from 20H must be moved to 40H. So move at R1, A. So R1 already specified at 40H. To that memory location 40H, this instruction will send the data. Just the copy of the data will be loaded to 40H. After moving the 1 byte, what we need to do? We have to point to the next memory location. That will be done by using these two instructions, increment R0, increment R1. So that it will point it to the next memory location 21H, here 41H. This is the DJNZ R2, back. This represents decrement and jump if non-zero R2, back. So R2 represents the count value, decrement R2 by 1 and jump if non-zero. If R2 is not equal to 0, it should be moved back to the same memory location with the label back, so that it will point it to the next memory location. Suppose if R2 becomes 0 after transferring all 5 data bytes from the memory location, this R2 will become 0, so that no need to go back to the loop. It will come out of the loop and it will stop the executing of all the instructions. So this is the program for transferring the data from one memory location to another memory location. So the next step, we need to give the name, as I will give it as a program 1 with the extension ASM. Okay. So this is the name I have given, program1.asm. So it has saved. Now the next step, after saving the file, it should be added to the source code or project. So I need to take the ASM file and the name program1, and I should add to the project so that it has added. Now what is the next step? After adding the file to the project, we need to check the syntax value. So we need to check the syntax value, and we need to build the target, so that next step, after checking the error, after building the target, we need to go for debug. So here what we need to observe here, you can observe all the register from R0 to R7, A, B registers, and DPTR, PC, all the register, all the register present in the 8051 you can observe here. And but here along with the register we are using the memory location. So the memory also we need to specify, but both are internal memory. So what is the specification? D colon 0x20. This is a memory location where the data must be present, and second one, this is 0x20, and it must be moved to 40H. So I will load the data initially 11, 13, any data you can add it here, but how many numbers? 5 in number. So 5 data bytes have stored in 20H location. What is the program? Whatever the data present in this memory location starting with the address 20H, all these 5 data must be loaded to 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay, so 20 starting 20H contains 11, 21 13, 22 15, 23 we have 16, 24 we have 17. So same data must be loaded to 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So we will check one by one. So we can use this step into this one so that we can observe the output line by line. See, initially what happens, the move R2, 05H. So R2 you can observe here, R2 is equal to 05H. R2 is equal to 05. It has loaded. Next R1 is R0 is equal to 20H. Next R1 is equal to 40H. So you can observe R0 and R1 has updated with the value 20 and 40H. Now next step, move A at R0. So whether A has got whatever the data present in 20H, yes, 20H has 11, which is present in the 20H address as loaded to A. So A has got 11 value. Next, that has loaded to 40H. Next step, move at R1, A. So whatever the A content, accumulator content loaded to R1, address is 40H. You can observe here the 40, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, then 0, 40, so that this is the 40 location, 40th location. So 11 has loaded to 40H. So next what it does, it will increment R0 and R1. You can observe here R0 has incremented by 1 so that it has become 21 now. Next R1 has incremented by 1, it has become 41 now. So what is the next step? If R2 is not equal to 0, it should go back to the loop with the label back. So it has come back to this back loop. So R2 is decremented by 1. Initially it was 5, now it has become 4. Again the same instruction within the loop will get executed, so that, see, you can observe the 13 next byte has moved from 21H to 41H. So if you continue the same step until R2 becomes 0, all data whatever present in the memory location will transfer to the 40, 41, 42, 43. Last, finally, the R2 becomes 0, 1, last step. So 17 must move from memory location 24 to 44. So that now what is the content of R2? R2 is 0, 1. After completion of this one, this will become 0. See, you can observe this is become 0, so that it will come out of the loop and it will end the program. So that you can observe here 11, 13, 15, 16, 17 present in the address starting with address 20H has moved to 40, 41, 42, 42, 43, 44. This is the program for transferring the data from one memory location to another memory location. Thank you.